Hi, this is Shani Rawal from Build Out Creations, and today we are here with the most leading architects of Ahmedabad, Miss Malvi Gajjar and Mr. Sachin Gajjar. So, how are you guys doing today?
Yeah, we're good. Thank you very much.
So, as you know that we have this huge pandemic going on, the COVID thing. So, what do you think how that has affected your firm and your projects?
So, because of this COVID, businesses have been slowed down. That is purely basically because of the lockdown situation where laborers have moved to their hometown and they are about to return, but they are somehow delaying because of the threat of this, because of this COVID. Yes, the business is affected because the laborers are not ready to work at some locations like societies and at bungalow locations and the commercial schemes location. The laborers are not allowed to enter into the building because of the threat. So obviously that has been slowed down. So, but we are hopeful that it will pick up very soon.
So eventually it has.
Yes, eventually it will be there. Yes.
So you being an individual architect, both of you, how have your journey been so far? Like, what is your philosophy behind?
Yeah, journey is pretty good actually, because in this firm like MG Design, we have created this brand since last 12 years. So we are into this field since last 12 years. So we are working for a architecture as well as interior projects, pan India as well as across the globe also, because we are right now executing one project in London. That is one office we are designing, and yes, here across the Gujarat there are many architecture as well as interior projects. So the journey is pretty well. So over a period we have learned quite a few things, because what we were studying at the time of college, so that is totally different actually, because once you're into this field on ground, then your mindset, your thought process is completely changed actually. So you have to align to the clients, you have to align to the markets, so all put together, and then we have to come up with the outcome. So that has to be good basically. So this is what the architecture, like we have a unique couple actually, like she is totally focusing on the architecture and aesthetic view, and my job is basically it should be easy to operate. So that's a gap fill arrangement we are doing actually, because sometime it may happen that aesthetically the project will be good, but then it will not be easy to operate. So here my role comes actually. So we are taking care of these both the parameter. So that's how the project should go.
So as all of us know about your famous The Summer House.
Yeah.
So we would like you to elaborate on it, and what challenges did you face with the project?
That project was really a big challenge, because the land area was very small, about 4,000 square feet, and the client's requirement, like it's a long list actually, client requirement. They wanted covered patio, they wanted 5 to 6 car parking, they wanted separate temple, they wanted lift area, they wanted foyer, they wanted 5 bedrooms, they wanted home theater, they wanted separate dining area, they wanted separate gym area. So there were long list of activities, so which we were supposed to fulfill. So what we have done, that we have tried a different concept. We have gone vertically actually. So on the ground there was a foyer design, there was a covered patio design, there was a garden, there was a parking, there was a temple, there was a lift, and then one level above we have done the kitchen, we have done the master bedroom, we have done the dining area, we have done the living area, and there one more level above there is 2 bedroom, 1 master, again 1 master bedroom, 1 kid room, and one there is a TV lounge, that is basically a family area to chill out. And then on the top floor we have done the gym area plus home theater plus 1 guest bedroom and then open terrace. So that is again open patio, we can talk. So this is what the requirement basically. So we are actually quite lucky that we tried and then we have fulfilled those requirements. Client is also happy and we are also happy, and ultimately the outcome was very good. That's what the
Sounds very challenging.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm sure it's going to
Yes,
be very good.
ultimately the outcome was good, so everybody is happy. So as we are.
So also nowadays people are looking into all sustainable architecture or greener interiors. So what do you think? Like what would your clients ask you to do? And what would your work show?
See, if you compare the era, like what clients were 10 years before or 20 years before, where there was a closed environment, there was nothing accessible beyond certain point. So clients were not ready actually at that point of time to accept certain things. But nowadays the world is small, the world is easily accessible, everything is available on the plate. So clients have become more smarter, more we can say that educated about their requirement, more clear about their requirement. So the things are that as an architect or as an interior, we have to be ready with the more food available to be made available on their plate. So that's basically more challenge. And nowadays what we are going into the direction that it should be eco-friendly, environment friendly. So there is also a big challenge, because nowadays natural resources are almost, we are nullifying those resources, and then there is a challenge of using those natural products. So those are the challenges we need to fulfill. So I think there are a lot more to happen into this field. There are a lot more technologies will come into this field. So we have to ready to accept those changes, and then we have to implement those changes into our designs. So that's what the big future is available into this field actually.
And there are now a lot of new architects that are coming into the industry. So do you have some tips to give to them that could help them grow?
Yeah, only two advice. One is ready to accept and ready to implement, because many technologies, many design ideas, though you have not seen, but client will teach you. Okay, I have this design, I have this technology, can you use it, can you implement this? So at that point of time you have to put your mind and thought process on the side, and then you have to accept certain things, and then you have to implement. So we have to ready with those kind of scene. At present you can say that we are following Dur Se Namaste formula because of this pandemic. So I think Build Out Creation is basically working on that platform, online platform, where all age group can easily access their material, their projects, and which are basically very unique and exclusive. So people will have a chance to access those kind of projects where they can see, they can learn, they can visualize about the exclusive projects. So it is good actually that these people are doing good work online. The reach out is very good. The views are very good, and particularly it will help all newcomers into this field to visualize the new designs, exclusive designs. That's all.
So thank you for your valuable time. It was great having a word with you, and we are looking forward for your upcoming projects with us. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video, and we promise you to bring such videos to you soon. Till then, please subscribe to our channel, and thank you once again.